Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have this pretty unique 2016 Ford Fusion. This one has a bit of tasteful mods from the previous owner. First one's pretty obvious. You can tell these upgraded headlights. Has very Mustang-esque directionals, LED upgrades everywhere. Let's try that and see if that works. There we go. Oh yeah, those look awesome. Also hidden throughout are some aftermarket Ford Mondeo little things. Because in the European market, the Fusion is marketed as the Mondeo. Pretty cool. Don't laugh at me. I couldn't get the other screw off. Pretty decent back seat room. Oh, I missed one of the more prominent badges that I thought was pretty cool. Eco Beast. All right. So this is the SE trim, middle of the range trim. Still has really nice leather. What's funny is when I had my ST, I kind of toyed with the idea of calling it the Eco Beast, so I found those badges quite amusing. Not bad on the power front. What's nice is the EcoBoost motor was designed to replace the V8 in the F-150. The EcoBoost V6 was supposed to have all the power of the V8, but have better fuel economy. Well, on the flip side, it works from 6 cylinders to 4 cylinders. So instead of having to fit the Fusion with a V6, they could have the same amount of power as a naturally aspirated V6 in the form of a turbocharged 4-cylinder, So you can advertise more power, and you can also advertise better fuel economy. So that's why manufacturers are starting to downsize a little bit. So like I said, this one has been modified a little bit, but mainly in the way of aesthetics, and not to the point where I think it's kind of rice-y. For those of you who don't know what a ricer is, it's pretty much they put as much money into mechanical mods as they possibly can, and then nothing into mechanical. This one, I believe, is pretty much stock under the hood, which is great because I am one to not want to deal with a previously modified car. Just because you don't know what somebody else did with it. This thing drives really well. It is pretty fun to just chuck around. It's actually pretty quick, or at least it feels so. Turbocharged motors tend to do that. They tend to feel a lot quicker than they actually are, and that's really a good thing in my mind, you know, because you can feel like you're going fast, you know, feel like you're breaking the speed limit without actually breaking the speed limit. That's what I liked about the ST, was it was just so much fun to drive slowly, you know, while beating the crap out of that car. It was just a riot to do. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you all in the next one.